1965 Ford Falcon two-door hardtop here, unique, especially in classics. 302 V8 power underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, C4 automatic. Edelbrock Performer intake, 4-barrel Holly, Mallory ignition system, and we'll take a look underneath the hood here in just a bit. Powder coated bumper, kind of a gray, gloss gray, I guess they'd call it. Take a look at the grille. Now, paint in the car does have a nice shine to it. It's black. There's a few spots where I've noticed right here, a little bit of a stress crack, if you can see on this kind of bubble intake hood, but it still shows well. Don't get me wrong. I just want to kind of give you an idea of condition of the paint. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riddler 5-spoke wheels. Radial tires, of course. Let's take a look down the passenger side. You'll see the bright work. Notice the shaved door handles. There is a key fob that will open the doors and the trunk, so both doors and trunk with the key fob. You could also leave this wing window so you could still get it open if for some reason you'd happen to accidentally lock the keys in the car. You could leave a wing window for a safety net for getting into the car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can also see the rear bumper powder coated to match the front. And you can see nice reflection in the paint, so the paint does have a nice shine to it. There's just spots. Let me see if I can find just maybe a few spots kind of in the clear. Might be an imperfection here or there, but fun one to take out, drive, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run too. Very nice engine bay, great sounding car. MagnaFlow exhaust. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds, no doubt. Good idea what the driver's side looks like there. All right, so door poppers work, and again, popper for the driver's door, passenger door, and the trunk. Door panels look good. Bucket seats up front, automatic shifter on the floor. Nice, clean, tidy interior. Some aftermarket gauges. We'll check those out here just shortly. Have had the blower fan work and the wipers work. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, what do we have underneath there? RPM. So tachometer's working. Voltmeter, oil pressure, you see came up. Water temp wouldn't be up. That was a cold start. Stock lifting radio. I have not had that one. eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Falcon. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Nice acceleration in this car. Nice firm shifts from an automatic. Looks like a stick shift, but it is an automatic right here on the floor. Under the dash we have gauges for tachometer, volts, oil, and water. They all look good. Water temperature is only up to about 150. However, it is quite cold out today. Oil pressure is just about 50 psi. Volts are over 14. Speedometer working well. Our blower motor does work. We have the heat going today in Minnesota. Wipers also functioning. This car starts in an instant. It was a cold start and starts up and runs really good. Sounds like she's ready to drag race. She's got a good tone to her, and that hood just looks wicked on this car. Gloss black paint.